In higher education, specifically at the university level, there are various learning pedagogies that can be employed to enhance the educational experience for students. These pedagogies focus on active learning, student engagement, and critical thinking, aiming to foster a deeper understanding of the subject matter. Let's explore some of the popular learning pedagogies used in higher education. Problem-based learning, or PBL, is a student-centered approach where students work collaboratively to solve real-world problems. It involves presenting students with a complex problem or scenario, and they actively engage in research, analysis, and problem-solving to develop solutions. PBL encourages critical thinking, teamwork, and application of knowledge in practical contexts. Project-based learning, PRBL, is similar to PBL. PRBL involves students working on projects that require them to apply their knowledge and skills to solve complex problems or complete a significant task. Students engage in research, planning, implementation, and reflection, promoting a deeper understanding of the subject matter and the development of essential skills such as communication, problem-solving, and project management. Next, we will share on the flipped classroom approach. In this approach, traditional lecture-style content delivery is moved outside the class, typically through pre-recorded videos or readings. Class time is then dedicated to interactive activities, discussions, and problem-solving. This approach allows students to engage with the material actively, seek clarification, and collaborate with peers and the instructor. Collaborative learning emphasizes group work and cooperation among students. It involves structured activities where students work together to solve problems, complete assignments, or discuss complex topics. Collaborative learning encourages active participation, peer-to-peer teaching, and the development of communication and teamwork skills. Active learning approaches promote student engagement and participation in the learning process. This can include activities such as case studies, role-playing, simulations, debates, or hands-on experiments. Active learning encourages critical thinking, problem-solving, and application of knowledge, allowing students to construct their understanding of the subject matter actively. Service learning integrates community service with academic learning. Students engage in projects or activities that address community needs while also meeting specific learning objectives. Through service learning, students gain practical experience, apply theoretical knowledge to real-world contexts, and develop a sense of civic responsibility. With advancements in technology, online and blended learning approaches have gained popularity in higher education. Online learning involves delivering educational content through digital platforms, allowing students to access materials and participate in discussions remotely. Blended learning combines online and face-to-face instruction, providing flexibility while still maintaining in-person interactions and engagement. It is important to note that each learning pedagogy has its strengths and limitations, and the choice of pedagogy should align with the learning outcomes, subject matter, and the needs of the students. A combination of different pedagogies can also be used to create a dynamic and engaging learning environment. Ultimately, the goal is to create an active and student-centered learning experience that fosters critical thinking, collaboration, and a deeper understanding of the subject matter.